Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Did you know Korean has lots of words that are just one syllable long? I'm sure you know that because if you're learning Korean language, you should definitely know that Korean has so many words that are just one syllable long. And so, in today's video, I'm going to share over 130 one syllable Korean words that you can start using right away. So, the list is really long. These words, they are short, easy to remember, and essential for beginners who want to learn Korean or improve their Korean or just brush up their vocabulary. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in and boost your Korean vocabulary one syllable at a time. Let's go. Book, 책, 책. House, 집, 집. Water, 물, 물. Ball, 공, 공. Room, 방, 방. Cow, 소, 소. Bread, 빵, 빵. Door, 문, 문. Dream, 꿈, 꿈. Sheep, 양, 양. Money, 돈, 돈. Body, 몸, 몸. Eye, 눈, 눈. Forest, 숲, 숲. Clothes, 옷, 옷. Nose, 코, 코. Horse, 말, 말. River, 강, 강. Wall, 벽, 벽. Kite, 연, 연. Moon, 달, 달. Alcohol, 술, 술. Stomach, 배, 배. Medicine, 약, 약. Arm, 팔, 팔. Soup, cook, cook. Mountain, 산, 산. Star, 별, 별. Mouse, tree, tree. Honey, 꿀, 꿀. Island, 섬, 섬. Neck, 목, 목. Bean, 콩, 콩. Spring, 봄, 봄. Week, 추, 추. Car, 짜, 짜. Daughter, 딸, 딸. Bird, 새, 새. Glue, 풀, 풀. Hand, 손, 손. knife, 칼, 칼. night, 밤, 밤. dance, 좀, 좀. minute, 분, 분. king, 왕, 왕. poem, 시, 시. sun, 해, 해. flower, 꽃, 꽃. mouth, 입, 입. snow, 눈, 눈. disease, 병, 병. brain, 뇌, 뇌. bear, 곰, 곰. bond, 못, 못. comb, 핏, 핏. poison, 독, 독. ship, 배, 배. land, 땅, 땅. hawk, 매, 매. temple, 철, 철. older brother if you are a male. 형, 형. inside, 안, 안. outside, 밖, 밖. god, 신, 신. back, 등, 등. rain, 피, 피. lungs, 폐, 폐. gold, 금, 금. uncooked rice, 쌀, 쌀. cooked rice, 밥, 밥. sweat, 땀, 땀. chin, 턱, 턱. ear, 년, 년. cancer, 암, 암. nail, 못, 못. cup, 컵, 컵. front, up, up. behind, 뒤, 뒤. dog, 개, 개. fire, 불, 불. liver, 간, 간. silver, 은, 은. ear, 귀, 귀. work, 일, 일. award, 상, 상. circle, one, one. blood, 피, 피. bottle, 병, 병. dragon, 용, 용. snake, 뱀, 뱀. tea, 짜, 짜. grass, 풀, 풀. chicken, 닭, 닭. above, 위, 위. road, 길, 길. ruler, 차, 차. fever, 열, 열. gun, 총, 총. bone, 뼈, 뼈. leaf, 잎, 잎. tangerine, 귤, 귤. pen, pen, pen. foot, 팔, 팔. crab, 개, 개. bay, 만, 만. saliva, 침, 침. tower, 탑, 탑. cheek, 볼, 볼. ticket, 표, 표. strength, 힘, 힘. castle, song, song. Korean currency, won, won. bruise, 멍, 멍. stone, 돌, 돌. pear, 배, 배. radish, 무, 무. iron, 철, 철. persimmon, 감, 감. container, 똥, 통. swamp, lip, lip. second, 초, 초. day or daytime, 낮, 낮. bell, 총, 총. saw, 톱, 톱. chestnut, 밤, 밤. bee, 펄, 펄. green onion, 파, 파. team, 팀, 팀. oyster, 굴, 굴. light, pit, pit. seaweed, 김, 김. end, 끝, 끝. last name, song, song. Okay, so in this video, we learned more than 130 words that are just made up of one syllable. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.